I'm back with a quick unboxing video. It's been a while. Things have settled down a little bit. The other channel takes up almost all of my time. So here I saw this over on, I think, a long time ago when they did the Kickstarter and then kind of just forgot about it. And then I was watching Ninjun's channel and he showed this again. And I was like, oh yeah, that thing. So I went and I picked up one. It's $69.99 over on Amazon, and this is the Wowstick drill. Haven't even opened it yet. Haven't done anything. I have a pin vise that I've been using forever to do some pinning and drilling out barrels and that sort of thing. But the one I have always comes loose, and I hate switching out the grip, the vise thing that holds the drill bits. And I was just, you know what? Let's give this a try. So this is Wowstick drill, and it is a rechargeable electric mini drill. And it says, I'm a lithium precision drill pen. So let's give this a try. I have a feeling I'm going to have to charge it after. Of course, I can't open it right away. We'll have to split this video and do a quick edit. But I like to do these things kind of on the fly. So haven't opened it. Let's give it a shot. It came with just this, which I have no idea what it says. Maybe I'll scan that QR code at some point. But box is pretty nice. I need my readers to read these instructions, which I'll do probably afterwards. So plastic box that it comes in, which is pretty nice. Nice solid piece. I'm guessing this is the drill pen itself. Ooh, nothing else in there. This feels pretty good. Oh, it's already charged. I pushed the button. How do I get this apart? Does it unscrew? Nope, just pulls off. Okay. You hear that? All right, let's see what happens here. Accessories. And what does it come with? All right. Came with these drill bits and a charging cable. So let's just, and those are pretty good. I mean, you get a nice choice of sizes there. I'm guessing. This just screws on it. Yeah. All right, I'm going to take the biggest one. I'm going to put this in, and I'm going to screw. Bam. I didn't expect it to charge out of the box. So I'm going to... All right. So this is what I like about it, I think, already, compared to what I've been using. You don't have to change anything else out. It's just the bits, because they all have the same size on the bottom. Come back to focus. There we go. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. All right, let me go grab something to drill. Be right back. So I got some. This piece. This is a Cobra soldier helmet. That's from a base from something I was working on. This is Soraya Tech castable or UV resin, and I just wanted to try it on a couple different materials. Let's just pick this bit here and tighten it down and see. I don't know. This thing... I was kind of worried it wouldn't be strong enough. There we go. Totally works. I love this thing. Totally works. Okay. This is a piece of regular urethane resin. try and get some of this cleared out. And just give this a shot. Works fine. And I had a bit of plastic. Oh, here, it's right in front of me. All right, so here's a bit of plastic sprue. And let's just give this a shot. See if I can take my fingers out. This thing rules. All right, this is going to be a game changer. So here we have it, a pen drill, the Wowstick, and it is wowing me. I'm going to give it a charge. Maybe it's not fully charged, but I don't think so. This thing is well worth the money in the long run. I wonder if they sell other bits in case yours wear out. Hell yeah. Now, is there a reverse button? No, I don't think it's backwards. But this is pretty good. Fully recommend. Fully recommend the Wow A drill pen. This thing's great. That was my quick and dirty review. Hope you liked it.